You can prep to successfully cloth diaper your baby from day one. All you need is the 4 tips I'm going to share with you today. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video every Thursday. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a place where we are encouraging you to start cloth diapering your baby from infant through the toddler years. I have been a cloth diapering mama for 4 years, and I've got the tips and tricks to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Today I have 4 things that you need to know so you can cloth diaper like a pro from day one. The first thing is to know when to start cloth diapering. Now, when we say that we want to cloth diaper like a pro on day one, I actually don't mean baby's first day of life. There are a few sticky situations that occur shortly after baby is born that we want to avoid using our cloth diapers for. The first one is meconium. Meconium is baby's first poop, and it is comprised of all the things that baby has ingested during utero. It's a dark, tarry, sticky, tacky type of substance, but it's expected to pass in the first 24 hours of baby's life. Now, we don't want that inside our cloth diapers because it can stain them. So what we want to do is avoid using our diapers until that's passed, which is usually about a week after life. A good indication that this meconium poop has passed is that baby's poo will start to turn a yellowish, seedy color, and then you know you're in a good spot. On the gender-specific spectrum, baby girls often experience a mini cycle in the days after they're born. Now, this is totally normal, nothing to get excited about, but basically mom's elevated estrogen levels have passed on and have started to stimulate baby girl's uterus. So you just prepare for it and know that it's going to happen. In the meantime, don't use your cloth diapers yet. On the same token, little boys sometimes go through circumcision procedures. In both cases, with the mini cycle and circumcision, we want to avoid blood getting in our cloth diapers. Additionally, for circumcision, sometimes oils are recommended for the healing process, like petroleum jelly, and we do not want petroleum jelly in our cloth diapers because it can cause decreased absorption and repelling in our diapers, leading to leaks, and that's a no-go. We want to start our cloth diapering experience really simply, really easy, with the diapers working the way they were intended. Now, the last thing I want to cover in this little section is the navel cord. Some cloth diapers have little umbilical stump navel cord cutouts in their newborn diapers, but we definitely want to keep in mind that that's a sensitive area that cloth diapers could sometimes cover up. Now, the solution to all these things that I've mentioned, the sticky substances and the navel cord, could be to use your cloth diapers when your baby is 2 weeks old. My pro tip for you is to use your disposable diapers that you have gotten from the hospital until your baby is 2 weeks old. I know it sounds a little crazy, but think about it. You paid for those diapers when you paid for your delivery at the hospital, so we want to use them. I suggest that you raid the stash of diapers at the hospital. Take them all with you. Use them in the baby's first 2 weeks of life. Maybe, although you've told people that you're cloth diapering, maybe someone still bought you some disposable diapers. Use those in baby's first 2 weeks of life and start strong with baby using cloth diapers at week 2. Pro tip number 2 is to cultivate a stash that will make it easy for you to cloth diaper. If you decide to own your cloth diapers, my pro tip is to have a stash that has at least 30 cloth diapers. In baby's first few weeks of life, they're going to go through 10 to 12 cloth diapers a day. So having a stash of 30 diapers allows you to wash every other day. So you start off with a good wash routine. Listen, with a new baby, you have to build in grace and sanity points up front. So one way you can do that is to make sure that your stash is big enough so you are not constantly washing cloth diapers every single day. As baby grows, you will use fewer diapers in a day. So your wash days will get longer. The stretches in between washing will get longer. Maybe you end up washing twice a week as opposed to every other day when you're just starting out. In building my stash, I wanted to feel, touch, see the diapers that I was getting ready to invest in. I ordered one single diaper off of website here, website there to see if I liked it. And if I did, I ordered more. It was that simple. But I encourage you to find the diaper that works for you and that you think you can use. If you're not into folding, maybe you should consider an all-in-one. If you are not wanting to stuff, maybe you should not use a pocket diaper. There are different factors, and think about what will make it easy for you and choose a diaper from there. My next pro tip is to prep your diapers for maximum absorbency. I know, you're looking at all the little baby clothes and getting so excited, but the same attention that you give to your baby's new clothes, washing them and getting ready for their arrival, is the same attention that you have to give to your cloth diapers. So you'll need to wash most of them to get them ready for baby's use when you get started on week 2. The cloth community calls the process of washing your diapers before baby's arrival prepping. We prep our diapers for a few reasons, but it's mainly hinged on what your diaper is made of, the fabric. Natural fabric diapers are made from like cotton, hemp, bamboo. And these diapers throughout the manufacturing process retain some of those natural oils that are found in those materials. Now, you remember from your chemistry class in middle school that oil and water do not mix. Oil stifles absorption and causes the diapers to repel. And we want our diapers to absorb all the liquid that our little babies are putting out. To thwart leaks, what we do is wash the diapers. Get all that grime, get all those oils, all of that out the diaper so that they're ready to use on day 1. On the other side, we have synthetic materials. That's your microfiber, microfleece, polyester. Diapers that are made of those materials, we want to wash them as well. They don't usually take as many washes to prep them. However, we want to wash them so we get out all the dirt, the grime that's come in the manufacturing and transit process. The 4th pro tip is to buy the tools that will help you be successful. Girlfriend, there are certain things that you need that will make cloth diapering so easy. Let me tell you what they are. The first item is a trash can. I know this is contrary to everything you might think of in terms of building your baby's cute little room with all the cute little things. You want that cute little diaper genie. But honey, with cloth diapering, diaper genie ain't gonna get it. What you need is like a 13-gallon trash can with a lid, with a step that you can step on it and raise the lid, plop that little cloth diaper in there and keep it moving. Inside the trash can, we'll put a pail liner. A pail liner is a bag that holds the cloth diapers. So when you go to your washroom, you will take the pail liner out, throw it in the wash with the diapers, wash, rinse, repeat. The next thing you need is a folding clothes rack. And we're going a little bit old school. We're going to be drying these diapers because for the most part, cloth diapers, if you want to keep your stash, if you want to use them for multiple children, do not go in the dryer. Do not go in the dryer. I have almost yelled at many adults for putting cloth diapers in the dryer. Do not put cloth diapers in the dryer. My favorite time to wash cloth diapers is at nighttime. I like to take them out the washer, put them on the clothing rack, flip on the fan, boom, go to sleep. They're ready for the next day. The last magic tool you have to have is a diaper sprayer, or it's also known as a handheld bidet. But you need these to clean your diapers before they go in the wash. Some people cannot fathom rinsing poop out of a cloth diaper, but trust me on this. This takes the dread and the hard work out of it. You are simply just spraying the diaper from afar, getting out all the contents, and rinsing it clean so that they're ready to go in your trash can diaper pail and into the wash. Y'all, poop don't go in the washer. No matter what nobody says, don't believe the hype. With a diaper sprayer, in less than 2 minutes, you'll have a diaper that you're okay with touching again. Well, those are my 4 pro tips for you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, do me a favor, like the video and subscribe. Click the little bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.